Hey, how to use your body language in workplace and what does it say about you? Before anything, I'll give you a little hack. First, talk to your colleagues and take their feedback about your body language in office or a workplace. Note it down and then start positive body language hack what I'm sharing in this video considering the context and the feedback of your colleagues. Let's start with how to use your body language at workplace. Body language can communicate several important messages during your work, including someone's level of interest and focus. If someone makes eye contact with you, nods when you speak, leans towards you while you're talking, you will likely have their full attention towards you. We speak more through our gestures than our words. The posture you portray or expression on your face, hand gestures and eye movements can convey far more information than you'd like to express. A subtle smile in a meeting can indicate willingness to engage in a dialogue, while a hard look can instantly kill a conversation. Your appropriate presence in the workplace gives off your sense of professionalism. When you value your workplace appearance, indirectly you show the respect for the company you work for and the work that you do. The human face is extremely expressive. It is able to convey thousands of emotions without saying a word. Your gestures and your posture. Perceptions of people are affected by the way you sit, walk, or stand, or the way you carry yourself. Your actions communicate wealth of information about your personality and character. Let's come to eye contact. Visual sense is dominant for most of the people. Eye contact is the most important type of non-verbal communication. The way you look at somebody can communicate a lot of things, including interest, affection, hostility, or attraction. Eye contact is also important in maintaining the flow of conversation. Think about the very different messages given by a weak handshake and a warm beer hug, and appreciation pat on the back, professional handshake with a perfect grip. Next is space. Have you ever felt uncomfortable during a conversation because the person who was talking to you was standing very close to you, invading your personal space? If yes, comment below the incident. Although culture and situation are considered into context, but we all have a need of physical space. No matter which person is with us, whether it's close friend, colleague, or a stranger. As humans, we like to have comfortable distance from other humans. Coming to next point is your voice and your tone. Remember one thing, it's not what you say always, it is how you say matters a lot. When you speak, people can understand your emotions behind your tone, and they even get the hidden meaning of the phrases to a certain extent at subconscious level. Have you ever thought, can we fake our body language to our advantage? Well, there are so many books and articles on internet which tell you how to use your body language to your advantage. Example, they may instruct you how to sit in a certain way, steeple your fingers, shake hands well in order to appear confident. But the truth is, you cannot control every non-verbal gesture because it's simply not possible, except those who are Oscar winners. The best way to control it is to be the person what you want to show. Practically speaking, you can use few power poses or gestures in times you are nervous, as you can always try to fake it until you make it. If you found this video interesting or informative, consider liking and subscribing, and do share with your friends because sharing is caring. All the best.